digital technologies are having a fundamental impact on how services are delivered. And I'll give you a very simple example. For several decades, the manner in which large commercial HVAC and even residential HVAC systems were serviced was based on a truck roll. It was based on a technician, a human, showing up, typically for a commercial system 4 times a year, so each time the season changed, or for a residential system 2 times a year, and performing activities after doing an inspection of the system. And some of these activities were fairly simple, changing a filter as an example, but others were more complex. And the fundamental premise was that you would have a technician making the truck roll and showing up to the system. Now, with digital technology, with IoT type technology, we can reverse that. We can say, first of all, why wait for the seasons to change? Why not have sensors on the equipment that are connected to a modem and have that modem connected through mobile technology, 5G or LTE? Why not monitor that equipment 24/7? Why not be in a position where you have exception-based monitoring? So when a certain metric or a certain quantity or a certain parameter is out of range, before it gets to red, it gets to yellow. And when it gets to yellow, we can proactively let the customer know this is happening. So we know the issue has happened and have taken action even before the customer knows. And then you roll a truck when you need to roll a truck, as opposed to, it's 4 times a year, the season has changed to roll a truck. So it's a fundamental change in how we deliver service without compromising on quality. As a matter of fact, one could argue that the quality of service delivery has gone up. The cost to deliver the service has gone down, and customer satisfaction has actually gone up as a result of that. So it's a triple win. It's good for the environment, it's good for the customer, it's good for business.
Yeah, that's amazing.